We live on a small, vibrant world, nestled in the vast expanse of the cosmos, orbiting an average star in a galaxy that's just one of billions scattered across the universe. Our planet, our home, seems small when placed against the backdrop of this infinite space. Yet, within the boundless stretch of galaxies, nebulae, and stars, one question stands above all others, echoing through the corridors of time and space. Are we alone? The search for extraterrestrial life has been one of humanity's most profound quests, a question not just about the existence of other beings, but about understanding our place in the universe. Is life a rare anomaly, a precious fluke that has occurred only here on Earth, or is it more widespread, thriving on distant planets and moons beyond our reach? As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we ask, how do we find aliens? How do we search for life when the universe is so vast, so unfathomably large? The universe is a place of infinite possibilities, a landscape teeming with stars that could harbor planets, many of them perhaps similar to Earth. Yet, despite the billions of planets scattered across the stars, we have not yet discovered definitive proof of life beyond our own blue planet. But the search is far from over. Today, scientists have more tools than ever before, and their strategies are more sophisticated. To answer this ancient question, we turn to the frontier of exploration, the unknown reaches of space. One of the most intriguing and enduring methods for searching for extraterrestrial life is the quest to listen for signals. In a universe where the vast majority of space is silent, could there be intelligent civilizations out there, broadcasting their existence through radio waves, just waiting to be discovered? Radio waves travel across space at the speed of light, a perfect medium for long-distance communication. These signals can travel vast distances, crossing star systems and galaxies. If an alien civilization exists, it's possible that their technology could emit radio signals, either intentionally or as a byproduct of their technological activities. This search, known as SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has been ongoing for decades. Using powerful radio telescopes, scientists scan the skies, listening for any faint, narrow bandwidth signals. These signals, unlike natural cosmic noise, would be highly unusual, and they could represent a deliberate attempt by extraterrestrials to communicate across the stars. What if we're just one lucky moment away from receiving our first hello from another civilization? In 1977, an astronomer named Jerry Emmon discovered a mysterious signal that became known as the WOW signal. The signal, detected by the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University, lasted for about 72 seconds and was unlike anything scientists had heard before. Though it's never been conclusively identified, the WOW signal remains one of the most tantalizing pieces of evidence in the search for extraterrestrial communication. Could it have been a signal from an alien civilization? Or was it something else entirely, an anomaly we've yet to explain? But radio signals aren't the only clue we're looking for. Another approach is to search for technosignatures, signs of advanced technology that could indicate the presence of an extraterrestrial civilization. Life might not just leave biological markers behind. It could leave technological traces. These signs could be much easier to detect than biological life, which may exist in forms we don't even recognize. Imagine, for instance, a highly advanced alien species harnessing the full energy of its home star, building massive structures such as a Dyson sphere. This hypothetical megastructure would completely encircle a star, collecting all of its energy. If such a structure existed, it would dramatically alter the light emitted by that star, creating patterns that we could detect from across the galaxy. Astronomers are now turning their attention to the stars, searching for strange fluctuations in light, the kind that might suggest something artificial is blocking or altering the star's light. These light curves could point to alien megastructures or other advanced technologies, and they offer a whole new way of looking for life by examining the echoes of alien civilization. Another key avenue in the search for alien life lies in the discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. With billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and many of them hosting planets, the possibilities are staggering. Could any of these planets harbor conditions conducive to life? Over the past few decades, space telescopes like Kepler have revealed thousands of exoplanets. Some of these worlds reside in the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. Water, as we know, is essential for life as we understand it. The discovery of these so-called Earth-like planets has opened up a whole new frontier in the search for alien life. Through the study of these exoplanets, scientists are looking for signs of atmospheres that could support life. With the upcoming launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we will be able to peer more deeply into the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for chemical signs of life, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. These gases, particularly when found together, could point to biological processes at work. But the search for life doesn't stop at distant stars. We have more immediate targets in our own solar system. For example, Mars. In its distant past, Mars was a very different world, with flowing rivers and vast lakes of liquid water. Did life once take root here? And if so, could microbial life still exist beneath its surface, in the sheltered caves and underground aquifers, hidden from the harsh surface conditions? Then there's Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, where beneath its icy shell lies an ocean of liquid water. Could this ocean be a sanctuary for life, hidden from view beneath miles of ice? NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to investigate this moon in greater detail, looking for signs of life, whether in the form of microbes or perhaps something even more complex. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, offers yet another intriguing possibility. Plumes of water vapor shoot from cracks in its icy surface, suggesting that beneath the frozen exterior, a hidden ocean may exist. These plumes have the potential to contain microbial life, and future missions to Enceladus will help us answer whether this distant moon could harbor life. Despite all our efforts, the question remains unanswered. Are we alone in the universe? The universe is vast, so vast that our current reach can only touch the smallest fraction of its expanse. Yet, the search continues, driven by the hope that one day, we may discover that we are not solitary beings in this vast cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the nature of life itself and our place in this boundless universe. Whether we find aliens or not, each discovery we make brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. And perhaps, in the process, we'll find that the search for life is, in fact, the search for understanding about who we are, where we came from, and where we are going. As we look to the stars, we continue our quest to understand the cosmos, knowing that the answers may be far beyond what we can yet imagine. But with each new discovery, we move closer to the realization that we are all part of something much larger, a mystery that spans the universe, and that may one day reveal its secrets to those bold enough to seek them.